Happy morning students, a warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine at home. Students, today our subject is English and we are going to write our English revision. Are you all ready for the class, children? Students, take your revision note. This is your revision note, 192 pages long size ruled note. 192 pages long size ruled note. Students, take a revision note. Take a new fresh page and start writing. Sharpen your pencil properly and write. While writing, spell the word and write. Write with a neat handwriting. Okay students, let us start our revision now. Write English revision. First Roman letter, opposites. Opposites means what ma? Yes, edirchal. The serial number must be written inside the margin. While writing the word, you have to start with a capital letter and write. Okay students? First one, number 1, slow, fast. The opposite of slow is fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Slow na enaduma? Meduvaga. Fast na vegamaga. Second, near, far. Near, far. The opposite of near is far. F-A-R, far. Near na enaduma? பக்கத்துல ஃபார்னா தூரத்துல. Third one, good, bad. Good, bad. The opposite of good is bad. B-A-D, bad. Good na நல்லது, bad na கெட்டது. Fourth one, new, old. New, old. The opposite of new is old. O-L-D, old. New na புதுசு, ஓல்ட்னா பழையது, பழையசு. Fifth, long, short. Long, short. The opposite of long is short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Longனா நீளமா இருக்கிறது, shortனா குட்டையா இருக்கிறது. Six, few, many. Few, many. The opposite of few is many. M-A-N-Y, many. Few na enaduma? குறைவா இருக்கிறது. many na நிறைய இருக்கிறது. Okay sir, let me once again revise the opposites. Number 1, slow, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Near, far. F-A-R, far. Good, bad. B-A-D, bad. New, old. O-L-D, old. Long, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Few, many. M-A-N-Y, many. After writing the first Roman letter, you have to write the second Roman letter. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. Singular na ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணு. Plural na ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல நிறைய. First one, plate, plates. The plural of plate is plates. You have to just add yes. நீ ஒன்றும் செய்ய தேவையில்ல. எஸ் மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணால் பிளேட்டு கூட அது பிளேட்ஸ் ஆகிடும், ப்ளூரல் ஆகிடும். ஓகேவா? பிளேட், பிளேட்ஸ். P-L-A-T-E-S, plates. Number 2, tail, tails. The plural of tail is tails. T-A-I-L-S, tails. இதே மாதிரி தான் மறுபடியும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? எஸ் ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். டெய்லோட எஸ் ஆட் பண்ணால் அது டெய்ல்ஸ் ஆகிடும், ப்ளூரல் ஆகிடும். T-A-I-L-S, tails. Number 3, leg, legs. Leg, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Number 4, rat, rats. Rat, rats. R-A-T-S, rats. R-A-T-S, rats. Okay, sons, you have to add yes. Fifth one, bun, buns. Bun, buns. B-U-N-S, buns. You are going to add yes. B-U-N-S, buns. Let me once again revise it. Plate, plates. Tail, tails. Leg, legs. Rat, rats. Bun, buns. Third Roman letter, quote from memory poem. Quote from memory poem. Already we have learned the poem. Now we are going to revise it. revise it properly. Okay, students? The heading of the first poem is Fun in the Forest. Fun in the forest. Let me read out the poem. Monkeys can jump and parrots can fly. Turtles can swim and cheetahs can run. Let me once again read it out. Monkeys can jump and parrots can fly. Turtles can swim and cheetahs can run. Or second poem. 5 little bells. 5 little bells. Let me read out the poem. 5 little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, "Ring me slow." The second one said, "Ring me fast." Let me once again read it out. 5 little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, "Ring me slow." The second one said, "Ring me fast." Students, there are 2 poems. You have to read the 2 poems. ஒன்று தான் கேட்பாங்க. ஒரே ஒரு poem தான் நமக்கு டெஸ்ட்டில் வரும். ஆனால் நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், ரெண்டுத்தையும் நல்லா படித்து வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவாம்மா? Next, write the 4th Roman letter. Filling the blanks with suitable verbs. Filling the blanks with suitable verbs. Students, the verbs will be given inside the bracket. You have to choose the correct verb and write in the filling the blanks. Let us see what are the verbs given inside the bracket. Tells, T-E-L-L-S, tells. Sleeps, S-L-E-E-P-S, sleeps. Sails, S-A-I-L-S, sails. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes. Live, L-I-V-E, live. Okay, students, the options are given here. We are going to select the correct option and write in the fill in the blanks. First one, a ship dash in water. A ship sails in water. S-A-I-L-S, sails. It is given inside the bracket. You have to select the option correctly and write in the fill in the blanks. Sails is a correct answer. A ship sails in water. Second, the boys dash football in the park. The boys dash football in the park. The correct answer is play. P-L-A-Y, play. So write play inside the blank space. The boys play football in the park. Third one, Harry dashed to visit the museums. Harry likes to visit the museum. The correct answer here is likes. L-I-K-E-S, likes. Harry likes to visit the museums. Fourth one, the baby dash for 9 hours. The baby sleeps. S-L-E-E-P-S, sleeps for 9 hours. The correct answer here is sleeps. The baby sleeps for 9 hours. Fifth one, I dash in Scotland. I live in Scotland. L-I-V-E, live. I live in Scotland. The correct answer here is live. Sixth one, father dashed bedtime stories to us. Father tells bedtime stories to us. The correct answer is tells. T-E-L-L-S, tells. Father tells bedtime stories to us. After writing the 4th Roman letter, start writing the 5th one. Question and answer. Question and answer. First one, who played the violin? Question mark. Who played the violin? Answer, Abu played the violin. Abu played the violin. Full stop. Who played the violin? யாரு violin play பண்ணது? Abu played the violin. அபு தான் வயலினை ப்ளே பண்ணது. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின். வேர் டிட் சுட்டி கோ? வேர் டிட் சுட்டி கோ? சுட்டி எங்கே போச்சு? ஆன்சர். Keep 2 finger space gap and start writing the answer. Chutti went to the doctor. Chutti went to the doctor. Full stop. Chutti enga pochu? Doctor paaka pochu. Okay students, now let me spell the word. Spell along with me and write. Okay students. Chutti. C-H-U-T-T-I. Chutti went. W-E-N-T went. To. T-O-2, the, T-H-E, the, doctor, D-O-C, T-O-R, doctor. Chutti went to the doctor. Where did Chutti go? Chutti went to the doctor. Third question. How was the new tail? How was the new tail? Question mark. புது வால் எப்படி இருந்தது? tailனா வால். அதுக்கு வச்ச புது வால் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? Answer. The new tail was long and curvy. The new tail was long and curvy. Full stop. அதோட புது வால் எப்படி இருந்தது? நீளமாகவும் அதே நேரம் வளைஞ்சும் இருந்தது. Okay students, that is the meaning of the answer. Let me read it out. The, T-H-E, the, new, N-E-W, new, tail, T-A-I-L, tail, was, W-A-S, was, long, L-O-N-G, long, and, A and the and, curvy, C-U-R-V-Y, curvy. The new tail was long and curvy. The next question, fourth one. Who jumped off the plate? Question mark. Who jumped off the plate? யாரு பிளேட்டை விட்டு குதிச்சது? பிளேட்டை விட்டு குதிச்சது? Answer. Keep 2 finger space gap and write the answer. Started the answer. One bun jumped off the plate. Full stop. One bun jumped off the plate. ஒரே ஒரு பன்னு தான் என்ன பண்ணுச்சு? பிளேட்டை விட்டு குதிச்சிருச்சு. One bun. Let me spell the word. O-N-E, one, bun. B-U-N, bun. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. Off. O-F-F, off. The, T-H-E, the. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Full stop. One bun jumped off the plate. Who jumped off the plate? One bun jumped off the plate. Let us move on to the fifth question. Who finally ate the bun? Who finally ate the bun? Question mark. யார் ஃபைனலாக பன்னை ஈட் பண்ணது? அதுதான் question. The meaning. Answer. The fox finally ate the bun. The fox finally ate the bun. Fox ஃபைனலாக பன்னை ate பண்ணுச்சு. அதுதான் meaning of the answer. The fox finally ate the bun. Let me spell out the, T-H-E, the, fox, F-O-X, fox, finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally, ate, A-T-E, ate, the, T-H-E, the, bun, B-U-N, bun, full stop. Okay students, the fox finally ate the bun. Who finally ate the bun? The fox finally ate the bun. After writing the revision, you have to put parent sign and get the sign from your parents. Okay students, do your revision properly, write with neat handwriting and get good marks. Thank you students. Meet you all in the next class.